Okay, let us begin with the goodwill entries. Okay, whenever a new partner enters into a firm, he is supposed to bring his share of premium in cash. But yes, when we talk about a goodwill, there must be some goodwill which will be there in the books. So first of all, we are going to discuss these entries and then we will take up the problems. Okay. If goodwill is already appearing in the books here means if there is said to be any goodwill which is there in the balance sheet, you have to write off that goodwill. To write off that goodwill, your journal entry will be old partners capital account debited to goodwill account, being old goodwill written off, and this has to be written off in their old ratio itself. Okay. So first entry to write off the goodwill already has a debit balance in the books. If at all you are going to credit it, it is going to be written off from the books. So first journal entry will be old partners capital account debited to goodwill account. This is to write off the goodwill which is already appearing in the books. Now the second case is when a new partner brings his share of premium in cash. Whenever a new partner brings his share of premium along with the capital, your journal entry will be cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. So whatever the premium amount that is being there in the firm, you have to credit it. And the second entry for in this case will be premium for goodwill account debited to sacrificing partners capital account, and this premium whatever is brought in by the new partner has to be distributed only to the sacrificing partner, that too in their sacrificing ratio. That means premium brought in by the new partner need to be distributed in their sacrificing ratio. Okay, and that is the purpose we have calculated the sacrificing ratio. Clear? Once again I am repeating, whenever a new partner brings his share of premium in cash, cash account debited to premium for goodwill and premium for goodwill to sacrificing partner. This is when this premium amount is retained in the business. When the existing partner decided to withdraw that premium from the firm, the journal entry will be sacrificing partners capital account debited to cash account. Means whatever the premium brought in by the new partner, if they have decided that they have to withdraw from the firm, your journal entry will be sacrificing partners capital account debited to premium account. Okay. Again, it will be in the same ratio in which they have distributed it. Okay. Third case says that when a new partner unable to bring his share of premium in cash. Whenever the premium is not brought in cash, in any case we have to raise it from his capital or current account. But I'll advise you to every time whenever you have to raise it, make sure that you're going to raise it from his current account itself. For that, your journal entry will be new partner's current account or capital account debited to sacrificing partner's capital account. That means only one journal entry to be passed because he hasn't brought any premium in cash. What we are doing, we are debiting from his capital account. Whose capital account? New partner's capital account. So new partner's capital account or current account debited to sacrificing partner's capital account. Again, it will be in a sacrificing ratio. Okay, being a premium raised from his current account. So I'll advise you to every time raise it from his current account instead of capital account. Fourth case says that when only a part of premium brought in cash, that means he is unable to bring certain amount in cash. So the remaining amount we have to raise it from his capital or current account. So whatever the part of premium he is bringing in cash, for that your journal entry will be cash account debited to premium for goodwill, being a part of premium brought in cash, and second entry will be premium for goodwill account debited, new partner's current account debited to sacrificing partner's capital account. Again here sacrificing partner will get a complete share of premium. Okay, whether he is bringing in cash or not. If he is not bringing, we are raising it from his current account. So your next entry will be premium for goodwill account, the premium which is already being credited here, now debited, and new partner's current account debited. We have raised the remaining part from the new partner's current account to sacrificing partner's capital account. Again, it will be in a sacrificing ratio. So these are the four cases that you have to keep in mind while doing the admission of a partner. Make sure that you are going to be very clear with the goodwill entries. Learn all these entries or try to understand that why we are debiting and why we are crediting, and after that we are going to take up the problem solving.